We just cleaned up our mess from outside from last night.
Yeah, it was a joke.
We ended up buying a drinking game with Coronas.
What's it called? Hour of power.
Power or something. So it was about 20 Coronas outside. So it was fun. And it rained and we had like chips out there. And Molly's now on soggy. Now we're just making brekkie.
Yeah, I know.
Boyd's still asleep, of course.
Right, so breakfast is served.
Yum, look at this
Yum, stunning. Delicious.
Delicious, amazing.
Orange juice, love.
Oh, we've got to do a quick prayer.
What?
Quick prayer.
Quick prayer. Oh my gosh, I thought you were showing me your nail. I was like,
that too.
Quick prayer.
Thank you, Jesus, for this opportunity to be eating bacon eggs this morning in a beautiful continent. God bless you, God bless us.
Hello! Again, it's the next day now. The squad is getting ready to go to the beach. So we're just making food. Let's go see what everyone's doing. What are we doing, guys?
Just getting a little prep going on.
The beach prep.
We've got to have those veggies.
And we're good to go.
Balance is key.
Oh, it's all about the balance and the separation.
It's all about separation. We don't want
Easy.
to cut.
Careful with the knife there, hun.
It's a sharp. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Is that not like make you feel a type of way?
Yeah,
I think
it's
I just
way
got
like you
this
can't
wrong.
fucking cut lettuce.
No, that was. Oh.
You waste your oil.
Oh, I'm just cutting it so it's thick.
Wow, Mel. Wow, there's a lot of sausages in there. Wow.
A bit of bicep curls.
Would have been packed at like 12. Yeah. Oh no, it's packed. It's pretty
Oh,
packed.
look at that. Look at that.
That is fucking insane.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to park anywhere.
It's so crazy. I've not seen so many people
That
in
is
one spot.
insane.
Alright, we arrived. Look at this. We've got our bevs, our V's.
We're going alcohol free today.
Yeah, alcohol.
Big day tomorrow. Alcohol free.
Then we've got the sausages in here. There's a bit of ice. Boys going in for a dip.
Last minute.
Last minute ironing. Is that salt still upstairs? It is, isn't it?
It's pretty moist too. I don't actually know how to do this. So, we're about to go to a bar, aren't we?
Yeah, in our village.
In a suburb. I'm a bit excited because I've never been in a suburb club. Yeah, so OTD. Oh my god, we're like opposite. We're matching as usual. So what are you wearing? Tell us through it.
Okay, so from the top, earrings. I actually have no idea where they're from.
Yeah.
This top is from Purple Cow. It's got like a nice.
Yeah, the back's cute.
Back is like a statement.
Yeah.
You can see it. And then this skirt is not sure. Got it sent to me, so I'm not really sure.
I'm not sure. I don't know where these earrings are from.
They're the same as these, but black.
This is from Kukai. And these are from, I don't know, I got it ages ago. I think it's like H&M or something.
I reckon
Yeah,
it's Bardo.
actually it's Bardo. But
yeah. This is a really strange situation because us girls. Hang on. Nah, that's not really gonna quite work. because us girls are waiting for the guys to get ready.
And it's funny because this happens every freaking time.
And like all they need to do is like put a bit of shit in their hair and get changed. We need to do makeup, hair.
Because they take
outfit,
30 minutes
blah, blah.
to figure out what outfit.
Literally,
And then another
they
30
need to get,
minutes
like,
ironing the outfit. And it's like, are you serious? Like,
And
we
then
got ready
they
in
stand
5
in the mirror with
minutes
their hair, like,
and we have to do a full
10
face.
Yeah.
Like what? So this is us while they're just getting ready
Chilling with the rugby
with the
ball.
yeah. God, it's so opposite.
That's why we're not dating. That's why we're friends.
This is why we have trust issues. Yeah. This is why we have commitment issues. Yeah. Because shit like this happens, and I'm not fucking want to be part of it for any longer than necessary.
Do you reckon sleeves up or down?
Here we go.
Do you reckon sleeves? Alright.
Oh Jesus Christ! It took you about 30 minutes on the shoes. Now we're to the sleeves.
Sleeves up or
Wait, you need to
down?
like block one, like put one
Up,
behind it.
definitely up. It's more casual.
Hang on, do the other one.
Up, up,
Yeah.
Oh,
up,
I gotta change this.
And you gotta show like a bit of arm.
and a bit of butt,
Yeah.
bit of ass.
Got a bit of bubble butt.
Oh yeah,
It's got a good butt.
it's got a better butt than we do.
Literally.
Which is a bit unnecessary. This is what happens when they take too long. We start getting a drinking problem.
So we're like,
There's
right, you
nothing
know
better to do
what?
than to take
Let's go have a
shots.
shot. We've gone through a bottle of vodka and we haven't even like gone
In
out.
2 nights.
Because we've literally been
and
bored
like,
waiting.
and that was just like, oh, children. It's like, oh, there's nothing to do, so let's take a shot.
Look how much is left.
And look how much is left. What is wrong with us? We have a drinking problem.
Oh, and you know what? Putting up with boys is like such a drainer.
It is, like, it's
And
hard
it's like
work.
by the end of the day, you come home and you're like, God, I need a drink.
Yeah, it's like, God, it's been
It's
a
like
fucking
babysitting
long
children.
day. Yeah. Jesus Christ, they're matching. Fuck.
We're matching too.
We're a bit of a squad. Update, it's about an hour later, we're still here.
They couldn't decide which watch to wear.
The best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. My friends sat at the table doing shots, drinking fast.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys!
Hurry the fuck up, I'm over it.
Oh yeah, that's
Are we ready? Give me a sniff.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Mine all go sour because I leave them in the car every time.
Sour? It is a
This
bit
isn't even
sour.
on properly.
Oh, it looks fine. Can we like?
Can we please get a move
We need
on?
a shot.
Yeah, that's what we've been doing
Yeah,
for the last fucking 2 hours.
Yeah, I can't find my vodka. Lost it.
Drink something else.
No.
Then you got it tomorrow.
Wow. I officially hate the male agenda.
I literally thought fucking girls were bad. This is ridiculous.
We're not fucking happy, that's for sure. This is a joke. This is an actual joke.
Alright, so up 1 or up 3 or up 4, how many ups do we do of the shirt?
What do you reckon? What do you
Leave it
reckon?
like
Wait,
that.
thoughts?
That one. No, that one.
I can't do this.
Easy done. Then it's a lot off. I don't have much.
Have you even done your hair yet?
Yeah.
Alright, thank God. Why the fuck is there a chicken here?
Fire.
Well, we've got in the fridge.
We are in the chicken.
Well, you better eat it all tonight because it's gonna go off soon.
Why the fuck did you cook it?
Why don't you just get like kebabs or something and you can cook it?
Alright, so our vodka.
I'd rather just go to the fridge and just eat it.
True.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Well,
So-
I'll try and find where.
We're
What camera's
try
that?
and find yours.
Canon G, it's a Canon G7X.
How much was it?
$900.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's quality.
Oh, I found it.
It's good quality.
Oh, you found shit house vodka.
Yeah.
Well, good, because these are for us. These are for us.
Thanks.
So.
Hello?
It's hot in here, isn't it?
Do you want me to open it
Yeah,
for you?
please, thanks. Shut up. Appreciate it.
What is going on?
Well, we didn't get enough time to prepare, really.
Yeah, we're hanging.
So it's not like, what's this made from?
Now let's see. Oh my god, ours has no smell and this one has smell. Oh my god.
Are you actually ironing your fucking shirt again?
Just chill.
Wow.
Guys, I'm so bored.
This is ridiculous, isn't it? Should we just go out on our own? Are you ready?
Oh, let's go shots.
Right, come closer.
Yeah.
No, like, hand me over now.
Wait, let me get the angles. Alright. No, that's not the good angle.
Yeah, get my angle, get my angle.
I'm gonna get my angle.
Get my lighting.
Alright. Oh, you did the shot without. What are you doing? Fuck. Right, okay.
I'll have to catch up. I'll have to catch up.
Right.
Right, can we put it down?
Yeah.
I was good distracted.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Alright.
Right, just don't introduce yourself. No one cares anyway.
I want to.
Alright, that's good.
Yeah, I don't actually want to. I actually don't want to. That's not like that. Yeah.
Alright, well I am, so follow me 1 Melanie Ford, if I haven't said it already.
Alright.
That's 1 MELANIE.
Zion, Malaysia.
Sorry.
Name is in the
This is my
bio.
time.
Oh. Let's go.
No, what's mine? Oh. Guys, what happens when Cash is running?
Should we go?
Oh, that is top.
Okay, so it's time to hit the town. By town, we literally mean town.
Yeah, literal
It's a very small town.
Suburb.
The suburb of Erskineville.
Trying to find those hot spots.
Yeah, we're trying to find a
But
hot
it's like
spot.
11 PM.
How far's King Street from here?
I have no idea where
Big
King Street
fucking
is.
way.
Is it?
It's just a 2-minute drive.
Wait, we're not going clubbing. King Street's for clubbing.
We're just going local, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going local. We're just going local for a wine.
Who knows where that might take?
Wine and John.
Oi, we're not going. Okay. I totally forgot to vlog the
In
wines.
Singapore, I was like, wow, what?
Oh, right.
Right,
I totally forgot to vlog the wines.
Oh, fuck. Alright, are we going to get...
Where are you going?
Oh, yeah, okay. Are
Hi.
you going to stay in that or...?
Yeah, I was going to say so.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
We, head the party outside. Oh, fuck's sake. Alright, hold up that though.
Are we going through this again?
Do you want some chain? Want some
No.
video?
Nothing. I want
Yeah, sure.
You know my
Do you need me to help you get changed?
Yeah, you want to help me?
So everyone thinks they can rap.
Let's go. See the way we on in the middle of innovation. You know we gotta go and try to keep up with the pace of the struggle and the hustle and the set it and the get it. And we go, we gotta do it, take it to another place. Gotta taste it and I gotta grab it. And
There you go.
Oi, that is a fucking monster. What the fuck is that?
Oi, chill,
Oi, stop.
Let me get
Stop.
that. Let me get that on TV. Let me get that. Let me get that.
That is a large spider. All I hear is you guys
Don't kill it, don't kill it, don't kill it.
Yeah, you can take the fucking TV off if you have to.
Oh, it looks like it was...
Guys, I've never seen a spider that big in my life. I'm just looking at you like, what the fuck did you set the place on fire?
We're actually, oh, there it is.
Where? Oh!
You better kill it, I swear to God.
It's gone.
Funny because I'm scared of spiders until I get in a position where
I'm actually not. I
Where I
feel
need to
like,
deal
I reckon I'm the only person I'm not scared of spiders.
until I get a position where I need to deal with them.
Oi, it's outside, it's fine. It's fine, Salada, it's fine. Are you alright? No, don't kill it. Wait, are we going outside or inside? Or are we just gonna iron?
Don't want me to make us a drink.
We have no alcohol left.
Where's sliders?
Yeah, let's have that. In the SQ.
Wait. Where is it?
Oh, that's a nice suit. Are you wearing that tomorrow?
I already wore it to my birthday, innit?
Yeah.
Guys,
What are we got in the SQ?
Is this ours? Honestly, it is.
It is.
Anyway, I'm taking it regardless.
I can't do this one-handed, so you're gonna have to do it. Pure blonde.
Wait, how do you do it? Actually, I've never used it. I've
never used it in my life. Hang on, let's get Joe's to do it for us.
Wait, we need some assistance. We don't know how to use this piece of material.
Yeah, I'll help you out.
Hi.
Spastic.
Fuck off.
Yeah, just a little cheeky ocean.
One.
Oh, stun.